I tried YouTube automation as a complete beginner for 30 days without showing my face. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I did it, the challenges I learned while doing it, what worked, what didn't work, and the results. For those who don't know what YouTube automation is, well, YouTube automation is the idea that you can start a YouTube channel, upload videos, and collect the ad revenue those videos get without showing your face. You can do it in two different ways, either by hiring people to do it or using AI. In my case, I chose AI for a big reason. The reason is because it's very expensive to start with professionals, or in other words, I'm just broke. So I have decided that I will be using AI. So I started researching the needs for the channel. And I had to do a lot of research because I was trying to make it as best as possible. So I was looking for a niche that was high in demand. I looked upon each and every niche, its traffic, competition, etc. And this research took me some time. I started from gaming and ended up in finance, which I'm already very interested in. And then I looked for the necessary tools that I would need to create the content. After the research, I found all the tools that I needed to use. First, I used Google Trends, Key Tools, and vidIQ to search topics in high demand. Then I used AI to rewrite the articles I copied, or should I say inspired. I used Pictory to convert all that into a video. And finally, I used Canva for making the thumbnails. Now, the first problem I faced. Firstly, I was kind of nervous about posting the first video. I don't know, it just took me so long to convince myself. Within 10 days, I posted 4 other videos. That means that's a total of 5 videos. But at the end, the results are very disappointing. I barely got any views in the first 5 videos, totally 17 views. And I said to myself, it's all a part of the game, even though I was very sad. And at that time, the second problem arose. I was just scrolling through the comments of a video, and I noticed people saying that they were not getting monetized for text-to-speech videos. And that was the major part of all of my videos. So this got me so demotivated. And I was already thinking about giving up, but I decided to go for one last chance. I was planning to hire someone with 0 experience, strictly the cheapest freelancer, and that ended up in myself. And I decided to do the voiceover myself. And honestly, I was not satisfied when recording my voice, because I recorded it pretty poorly. I started recording again and again, which took me pretty long. I was going for perfect audio so it doesn't affect the views of the channel. And I was a little bit tired, but I kept moving forward. And over time, I got better and just completed the voiceover. Watching YouTube tutorials, I used my phone to edit the videos. And I made 4 videos in 12 days. I started posting the videos with 2 days break. After the first video, I received my first subscriber. I started recording my voice for the next video. And I noticed 68 views in a comment on my 3rd video. At that evening, the 3rd video started blowing up. And we were getting a lot of views in a few hours. Hundreds of views every single minute. And then the subscriber count started rising. From 10 to 50, then 100 to 200, and that was insane. It was kind of addicting looking at the rising numbers. And honestly, I was refreshing the screen every 2 seconds. I got very excited watching this. I completed the voiceover and uploaded a fully edited new video the next day. So in total, I uploaded 5 videos and they all also started getting views. And then I noticed a big thing, which is the key to that blow off. I'll be using that in the last section. But for now, the exciting part, my results. So as you can see here, I got 2,700 subscribers, 2,000 watch hours, and over 50,000 views. So I guess in another month I'll be monetized, and I'm waiting for that. And I plan to hire people after I get monetized. Actually, I learned a lot from this. If I were to summarize the most important lessons, it would be to do what works. The videos that performed well were actually replicas of videos that were already working in my niche. I looked for contents in my niche that performed well. Just replicated them, added a little bit more information and values. I even tried to improve the thumbnail and title slightly. I also tried to improve the video. The second very important thing is quality over quantity. In my perspective, my best video in the list of 5 is the 4th video. Comparing the 3rd video to my 4th video, the 4th video has less views, but it gave me more subscribers than the 3rd video. So focus on quality if you want to get more subscribers. And lastly, the most important thing, don't give up. If you want to achieve your goal, you have to take the next step and move forward. And that's the biggest lesson I learned from this whole process. It worked for me only because I gave it one more chance. In other words, I kept going. And I'm sharing this video only because of that one step that I made. If I can do this, definitely you can achieve it. Trust me, just go for it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.